What is up, guys? So today we are going to be installing a NISMO, I guess it's poly shift knob that my wife got me for Christmas. And we have this NISMO one on right now. That is, I think, the stainless steel. Oh, I can get her off there. It's a little chilly out. Now this one's like really light. I don't know if I'm gonna be selling it or not because it's the new logo, I'm pretty sure. But it feels like half a pound. And then this one is a little heavier. I'm actually surprised being that it's not metal. It's like a rubber composite almost. So let's see if we can get this. So the way you have to do this is there's an Allen key right there, and you take that Allen key out, and the recess, I don't know if you can see any lighting, that recess comes out, and you tighten that nut down onto the thread of your shifter, and then you put that on. Let's see if we can, I have a little clip here and I never use it. Let's see if I can actually angle. I'm gonna pause this. So now I got it repositioned. So a little side-by-side comparison is this is the NISMO one I had, and then this is the one I got for Christmas. Now you can see how it's about half an inch shorter, but honestly this one feels heavier. It feels about a pound. This one feels maybe half a pound. I don't know. So let's see if I can excuse my pajamas. My pajamies. Can never go wrong with pajamas. So now all we're doing is taking that Allen key out, and then we're going to lock it down on here. This is actually the first shift knob I have ever installed onto a car. Silly me trying to get SAE or American Allen wrenches to fit in the socket. Whenever NISMO is a Japanese brand, and of course it's going to be metric. Although these Allen keys I have are not very easy to get out. I apologize for the delay. I will say, how was everyone's Christmas and New Year? Because I know 2021 is not going any better than 2020. But that's okay, because we got NISMO goodies. Once I figure out what size Allen it is. Haha! It's a 5mm. Just in case you were wondering, I'm the guy. 5mm Allen, NISMO shift knob. I think polyester shift knob is what it's called. Not entirely sure. That was way too complicated, and I apologize. So, I'm going to take this off. And then so that comes out, that little Allen. Set that there. And then this bottom part pops off, and all you're going to do is tighten this down on here. Pretty sure it probably bottoms out. Although before I do that, let's go find a wrench that fits it. To the toolbox we go. Excuse the mess, I am remodeling my home. Let's see. Brought to you by the most expensive brand, Snap-on. Don't waste your kids. Don't waste your money, kids, on tools like I do. And fill it with Craftsman's. And my wife just got here. Oh, she popped the trunk. Beep. Installing the shift knob. Yeah, trying to. It's a 17 millimeter. So 5 millimeter paired with a 17. Why'd you got tires? She's got tires for the Versa. Now we can install it. So 5 millimeter Allen, 17 millimeter wrench. Locked out. So now we're going to slide this on, and we are going to put, I don't know, should we put the NISMO up front or the NISMO in the back? Let's see. I'm going to put it towards the back. Put the little locking screw in the top. Tighten that down and lock it. And it's done. Mad. Ugh. And that's what it looks like. Don't think, can't really see the NISMO, but it's heavier than the old one. It's heavier.
Yeah.
That's why my seat's messed up, is because you drove this.
Oh. My apology.
It's a lot smaller, like the grab. I like it. And it's paired with the NISMO sticker. Although it comes with 2 NISMO, I guess, updated badges. So you got, if you have like a 370 or something, you have this one, which is, you have the 6-speed version. Well, I guess it'd be like 5 gate or 6 gates, and then you have the 5 gate version. For some reason, some people call it 4 gate. But yeah, and you can always put those there. But in comparison with this sticker, which isn't fraying or anything, so I'm not going to replace it yet. But that's the comparison. And this one's a little bigger, so I'm going to keep it. But this one's taller and kind of, like I said, easier to grab, but it's more of a piston shape, so you can fit, it literally fits my hand perfectly like this. And then this one is a little shorter, but it's also, it's heavier. Definitely feels heavier. So it'd be like whap. Oh no, it'd be like whap. Psst, bop, bop. So that's the NISMO shift knob. 10 out of 10, recommend. And there'll be more goodies coming soon for the Skyline, so stay tuned. Thank you.